And from here you can turn it on for all the data, including photos and videos and other device data, or you can see from here the backup details. Hi guys, and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to do a backup including photos, videos and all your personal data on Samsung phones. So for that just go to settings, and here we have accounts and backup. Now here we have two kinds of backup. The first one is on Samsung Cloud. For that you need a Samsung account, and I just made a video about it. And the second one is on Google Drive. For that you need a Google account on your phone, and to do it tap on backup data. And from here you can turn it on for all the data, including photos and videos and other device data, or you can see from here the backup details. Now let's go to photos and videos, and right now it's turned off. To turn on, tap here, and this is my Google account. And now let's go down to see the backup options, and here if you tap on it, by default all photos and videos from your camera roll will be backup, but you can select also other folders from your device if you have there some photos or videos. Now we have here also some preference. The first one, from here you can select original quality, and photos and videos will be backup to full resolution, or you can select storage saver, and your photos will be compressed, and you will have more space. Now the other preference is about your mobile data usage. Right now your phone use only Wi-Fi connection, but if you want to use also mobile data, but be careful because it's possible to be charged, you can select 50, 100 or unlimited mobile data. And also from here you can select also backup videos over mobile data, but again be careful, or backup while roaming. Okay, now I will go back, and if you don't need anymore the backup, you can do from here undo backup and delete photos from your account, but will remain on this device. Now I will go back, and the other details are about other device data. Again, it's turned off, and I will turn it on, and let's see what we can backup from here. So the device data are SMS messages, call history and device settings. Select what do you want to backup, and also we have here app data, and from here you can select what apps do you want to backup, including all the data from that app. So we have here Gmail, we have Google Wallet, Maps and other apps. So select what do you want to backup, and that's all. Also from here you can use mobile data. As I told you before, right now phone uses only Wi-Fi connection, but you can use from here to backup with mobile data, but again be careful because you can be charged for that. Now when it's over, the backup will be made automatically when the device is idle. If you want to backup right now, just tap here, backup now, wait for a few minutes, and that's all. If you reset your phone or change your phone, do a backup before, and after that just enter your Google account, and your backup will be restored automatically on this phone. So this is a very good thing. I hope this video to be useful for you. If you have any comments, please write me. Also, if you like my type of content, you can subscribe to my channel, and see you to the next videos. Have a nice day.